Hi friends, today on Bollywood Now we have the upcoming talent Arman Malik who has given us beautiful songs in Jai Ho. So over to Arman himself. So Arman, this is your debut album. So
Yes,
can you just tell us something about it?
this is my debut album with Universal Music, and it's a very big thing to have your album out on such a prestigious label as Universal Music because they host so many great artists such as Beyonce, Justin Bieber, and Katy Perry, and so on and so forth. And I'm so happy that my name has also been included to that list from India. And not only that, the album has been produced by my brother Amal Malik, who has composed the songs as well. So it's another high for me because when you say it's all in the family, it gives you more pride, and I feel really proud putting out this album in front of you all, and I'm sure and I hope that it does well.
Okay. In terms of your inspiration for music, we have seen that your grandfather also has given us great songs and that runs in the family. So probably can you just tell us some instances when he inspired you?
Um, It is a very sad incident. I remember this was when he was not well. He was on in the hospital, and I remember singing him his famous song "Saranga Teri Yaad Mein," and he told me, "तुम इतना अच्छा गा रहे हो, लेकिन इस म्यूजिक को कंपोज किसने किया है?" जब उन्होंने खुद इस when he himself has composed that song, and he didn't remember. That was a really touching moment for me because I realized the value of that song, and I've learned whatever I have from my dada. And ever since I was 2 or 3 years old, I've been learning music from him, whether it be in his classes, just being in the side, just hearing his music, ragas. It's all been from him.
And in terms of your father, because he has also given us great songs. So, which is your favorite song out of the songs that he has composed?
It's my favorite song of his is "Thoda Sa Pyar Hua Hai Thoda Baki," which is his most famous song as well. And it's again he had his debut with Sohail Khan and Salman Khan with that song, and now me and my brother make our debut with Sohail Khan and Salman Khan in Jai Ho. Holds a really special place in my heart. That song "Thoda Sa Pyar Hua Hai," and that's my favorite song from him.
Okay, since it's your favorite song, so two lines
Yeah,
for
sure.
the audience.
थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी हम तो दिल दे ही चुके हो हम तो दिल दे ही चुके बस तेरी हाँ है बाकी थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी.
Oh, that's wonderful because it brings back the nostalgic memories of those years. And in terms of the songs that have been composed for this album, can you just tell us about the various songs which are there?
Basically, I've composed and written these songs keeping the youth in mind, and since that's my target audience, I wanted to bring them music which they're listening to and which they really like. And I'm sure that the songs will hit it off really well with the youth because they have really simple lyrics and a very. I've made sure that each of the words that I've used are something that we use in our in our life. It's because since it's a Hindi come English album, it's got a little bit of English as well. I wanted it to be so easy for people to speak that they can sing it whenever they go anywhere. So it's a very youthful, energetic album, and it basically brings about various shades of love that a person my age or a teenager would experience, such as first love, heartbreak, and there's dance numbers as well. So I'm sure that people would really connect.
And in terms of Bollywood, as we've all seen that Salman Khan has been the godfather for various actors or
Yes.
singers. So what do you have to say about it?
I think it's there's I can't really say anything about it because Salman Bhai has always been very supportive, and he showed his support today also by releasing my album, and I'm very thankful to him for that. Uh, his belief in my talent and my singing and my brother's music is really great, and I can never repay him enough. But we're sure we're going to give him great songs in forthcoming Bollywood movies. And it's another high altogether when you have someone like Salman Bhai supporting you, helping you throughout your life, and giving you the important guidance that's needed. Because as a young artist, you can take the wrong routes, but it's very important for a elderly person to guide you and tell you the right way.
And which is that song of Jai Ho, which probably is your favorite?
There's a song called Tumko Ta Aana Hi Tha, which is the romantic song. It's also Salman Bhai's favorite from his movie. So I'll sing 2 lines from it. तुमको तो आना ही था जिंदगी में, देर हुई आने में क्यों, जीना मुझे है बस तेरे लिए, जो भी करूं it's only for you, because I love you, I love you, because I love you, I love you till the end.
And just 2 lines of the song, which is your favorite from this album.
My favorite song from this album is I have 2 favorites. I cannot be.
Not a problem. You can sing both of them.
That's Crazy Connection and Le Ja Zakham Tere. So I'll sing 2 lines of each. Crazy Connection. The night is young, तू मेरे संग, तुझको मैं बताऊं प्यार होता है क्या, Let's party now, सब भूल के तुझको मैं दिखाऊं जीने में है क्या मजा, so just break out a smile and stay for a while, भुला के सारी दुनिया तू आजा मेरे संग हो जाना, आ कभी तू आ जरा, I'm so crazy about you baby, कुछ भी कर दूं तेरे लिए जाना, तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा, crazy 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 ये connection है. And the next song. ले जा जख्म तेरे जो तूने दिए, अब इनकी ज़रूरत नहीं, झूठे वादे किए झूठे सपने दिए, तेरे बिन भी जी लूँगा मैं, ओहो अब चाहे रूठे दिल, अब चाहे टूटे दिल, अब कभी ना लौटूंगा मैं, ले जा जख्म तेरे जो तूने दिए, अब इनकी ज़रूरत नहीं.
So thank you, Arman, and wish you all the best for your bright future. So this was the upcoming talent, Arman Malik, exclusive on Bollywood Now. And keep watching Bollywood Now for updates on Bollywood and television. Along with cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now.
Hi guys, this is Arman Malik and keep watching Bollywood Now.